Good morning, student. How are you all? I hope you all are good. Yes. Did you finish your homework, all of you? Did you finish your homework? And did you finish your assignment? Did you finish your assignment? Okay. Okay, guys. Just listen. Today we are going to discuss about the same second chapter only. We already discussed few topics. Do you remember this? Do you remember the topics? Okay, I will give the time now. You have to go through the topic. What are the topics we already taught? Okay, I will give the time now. Just to go through it. Take the book and study. I will give time 2 more minutes. இது வரைக்கும் புக் எடுக்கலனா இது மாதிரி எடுத்து பாருங்க. Are you seeing the book, all of you? Are you seeing the book? இது வரைக்கும் புக்கே எடுத்து பார்க்கலன்னா இப்போவாச்சும் கொஞ்சம் கிடைக்கிற டைமில் யூட்டிலைஸ் பண்ணுங்க. ஓகே, டோன்ட் வேஸ்ட் யுவர் டைம். டோன்ட் வேஸ்ட் யுவர் டைம். ஓகே, are you seeing the book? Okay, do fast. Okay, now we are going to discuss about formatting paragraph. Now we are going to discuss about formatting paragraphs. Okay, you know very well about paragraphs. நம்ம நார்மலா என்ன டைப் பண்ணுவோம்னா if you type on paragraph mean we should do line text. Yes, we should do line text. அப்புறம் அது ஒரு ஒன் லைன் ஃபினிஷ் ஆனோன்னா நம்ம என்ன கொடுப்போம், என்டர் கொடுப்போம். அப்புறம் ஒரு டாபிக் முடிஞ்சு ஒரு கொஸ்டின் முடிஞ்சிச்சு, அதை கண்டினியூஸாக லைன் பை லைனாக டைப் பண்ணி முடிச்சு என்ன கொடுப்போம், என்டர். செகண்ட் கொஸ்டின் கொடுப்போம். லைக் தட் ஹியர் ஆல்சோ. Okay, paragraphs are lines of text that are separated by the space created when you press enter key. அதான் இங்க இப்படி கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. Okay, for example, if you type Monday is completed. After what we have to do? We have to do Tuesday. Yes, then Tuesday will come second line. After Wednesday, you have created two paragraphs. We have created two paragraphs. One is Monday and another one is Tuesday. Okay, one on each line. Like text, you can format paragraph by changing paragraph property such as leading and alignment. leading and alignment use பண்ணி என்ன பண்ணலாம், change பண்ணிக்கலாம். Okay, first you should write, after that we have to discuss leading and what is leading, what is alignment, we have to discuss. Okay, have you completed? Okay, now leading. Leading. Leading pronounced LED. Okay, LED is the amount of space between the baselines of two lines of type. Leading எதுக்கு யூஸ் பண்றோம் அப்படின்னா, leading pronounced LED is the amount of space between baseline of two lines. Okay, ஒரு லைனுக்கும் இன்னொரு லைனுக்கும் ஸ்பேஸ் கொடுக்கிறதுக்கு நம்ம எந்த மாதிரி லைன் யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம் அப்படின்னா leading. Alignment. Did you use alignment? Do you use alignment? Okay. What is the uses of alignment? What is the uses of alignment means? Alignment refers to the way. Alignment refers to the way paragraph horizontally spread out between the left and right side. Left and right side. Alignment refers to the way of paragraph. Alignment refers to the way of paragraph horizontally spread out between left and right side of the text box. Left side and right side of the text box. we have many options. Okay, we have many options. Okay, type of alignment and what is the description is there. First you have to write leading and alignment. After we have to discuss what type of alignment, what is the purpose of using description. Write fast. Write fast. Write fast. Okay, now we will see type of alignment. Now we will see type of alignment and description. Okay, type of alignment and description. If you type one paragraph means அது நமக்கு என்ன left alignmentல வேணும், left side வேணும். You have to click the menu bar and you have to select left alignment. Lines are aligned on the left border of a text box. Okay, align center, align left use பண்ணா நமக்கு என்ன கிடைக்கும்னு தெரியும். Did you use that? Next, align center. அந்த align நம்ம பண்ற paragraph எல்லாமே centerல வேணும் அப்படினா if you select that, after you have to click center alignment. Okay, lines are center between left and right border of a text box. Lines are centered between the left and right border of a text box. Then align right venna, that same procedure you have to use. You have to select the paragraph, after you have to click align right. Lines are aligned on the right border of a text box. That like that you should use. Okay, justify with the last line align left. Lines are evenly distributed so that they align on both the right and left border of a text frame. The last line in the paragraph is aligned on the left border. justify with the last line aligned right. Lines are evenly distributed so that they align on both right and left border of a text frame. The last line in the paragraph aligned on the right border. See the difference, left and right. Okay, the next one is justify with last line aligned center. Lines are evenly the same thing. Here the last line in the paragraph is paragraph is center. Justify all lines. Lines are evenly distributed so that they align on both the right and left border of the text box. Then align towards pen. Used with left and right pages. நம்ம ஒவ்வொன்று யூஸ் பண்ணி அந்த அலைன்மெண்ட்லாம் நீங்கள் யூஸ் பண்ணாவே உங்களுக்கு புரியும் எதுக்கு நம்ம இப்படி சொல்கிறாங்க அப்படின்னு. ஓகே, then align away from spin. I will give 3 more minutes. Write neatly. Write neatly. Okay. Write neatly. Write neatly. Don't waste your time. Whenever you got time, utilize your time. Okay. Have you completed? Have you completed? Have you completed? Write fast and write neatly. Write neatly and write fast, okay? Okay, the next one is adding bullets and number. Adding bullets and number. What generally we can say simply what is bullets and numbers mean. If you type paragraph wise mean we are used alignment. We need points. Okay, in that நம்ம மேக்ஸ் சயின்ஸ் எல்லாம் எழுதும்போது சம் சோசியல்ஸ்லாம் எழுதும்போது பாயிண்ட் பை பாயிண்ட்டாக ரைட் பண்ணுவோம் இல்லையா. 1 பாயிண்ட்க்கு நம்ம என்ன கொடுப்போம், 0.1, 0.2, 0.3. Like that we are used நெக்ஸ்ட்டு ஸ்டார் போட்டு ரைட் பண்ணுவோம், அப்புறம் 1 போட்டு ரைட் பண்ணுவோம், சரி டாட் வச்சு லைன். அதை நம்ம இங்கே என்ன சொல்லுவோம் அப்படின்னா, கம்ப்யூட்டர் உள்ள என்ன சொல்லுவோம் அப்படின்னா புல்லட்ஸ். கம்ப்யூட்டரில் we can say bullets. okay, adding bullets and numbers. okay, நமக்கு நார்மலாக எங்கே இருக்கும் அப்படின்னா இந்த நார்மல் நோட்பேடு, பவர் பாயிண்ட் அதில் எல்லாமே நமக்கு புல்லட்ஸ் வந்து நமக்கு டைரெக்டாக we can find from the menu bar. பட் ஹியர் நம்ம சூஸ் பண்ணி என்ன பண்ணணும்னா இன்டிசைனில் that is the difference. ஃபஸ்ட்டு the best way to draw attention to a list is to format the item with bullets or numbers. Bullets are small symbols such as circles or square that you can insert before the beginning of a paragraph. Bullets are typically used for an unshorted list of items. Use numbers instead of bullets for items that need to in a specific order. If you move insert or delete item in numbered list in design, sequentially renumbers of the list for you. okay, it is nothing I told. okay, right all of you. Write neatly. Again and again I am saying write neatly. Have you completed? Write fast and write neatly. Look at your note and write. Okay, see, add bullets or numbering to a paragraph. எப்படி ஒரு புல்லட்ஸ் வந்து பேராகிராஃப்குள்ளே ஆட் பண்ண போகிறோம் அப்படின்னு பார்க்கலாம். ஓகே, நான் அதை சும்மா வேர்டாகவே உங்களுக்கு எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணேன். நம்ம நார்மலாக நார்மலாக எப்படி எடுப்போம்னா இங்கே வந்து எதில் போய் சூஸ் பண்ணோம், இன்டிசைன், அடோப் இன்டிசைனில் நம்ம எங்கே போய் சூஸ் பண்ணோம் அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, first you have to select the paragraph. First you have to select the paragraph to which you want to add. Select the paragraph. Select the paragraph to which you want to add bullets or number. Okay, select. First you have to select the paragraph to which you want to add bullets. உங்களுக்கு bullets வேணுமா, numbers வேணுமா? Bullets means with star, circle symbols, like that we have to select. Like that we have to select. Next, first next one, choose the, you have choose the type. You have choose the type and bullet and numbered list. Bullet and numbered list, either you have to select, first type, bullets and numbered list, and then you apply bullets or numbers. You either you have first you have to select, choose type, and you have to choose bullet and numbers, and then apply bullets. Apply either bullets or number. Apply either bullets or numbers. Okay. The last used setting in the bullets and numbers dialog box apply to the text. Okay, நம்ம select பண்ணா நமக்கு என்ன கிடைக்கும்? We will get dialog box. Next we have to select and click OK button. You have to click the OK button, yes, or either apply. Is that no? Okay, right. I will give one more minute. Write neatly. Write neatly. Have you completed? Okay, write neatly. Okay, don't put the mistake. Write neatly. Okay, just see the diagram first. நம்ம choose பண்ணா என்ன கிடைக்கும் பாருங்க. See, are you seeing? Okay, let's see. Take page number 72. Working with objects. Working with objects. You know very well object na உங்களுக்கு தெரியும். Okay, object or text or graphic element, image, blacks or color, even simple lines that are placed in an InDesign document. All objects in InDesign are in frame. When you select an object frame, its handle become highlighted. See this figure? You have to highlight, that is object. You have to add picture. Okay. When working with InDesign, there are many types of objects that you can to add your document pages. Graphics such as photos, illustrations are one type. Other types include shapes, line, text box, Microsoft Excel charts and Microsoft Word table. You can modify object in நம்ம என்னனாலும் யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். Circle, ellipse, drawing, polygon, graphics, photos, lines, including shapes also. Okay. The next one, creating an object. How to create an object? The next one, how to create an object. Sometimes the only type of object you need for your publication is a simple shape. Shapes can add a visual interest to document and serve as a background for your text. The tools for creating shapes include rectangle, ellipse and polygon tool. To select shapes tool, you have to select, click and hold down the mouse. எப்படி உங்களுக்கு draw பண்ணனும், we already draw நல்லா பெயிண்ட் பண்ணுவீங்களா அந்த மாதிரி என்ன பண்ணிக்கணும், you have to click. Next, creating graphic frames. Graphic frame can hold graphic content. You can use ellipse frame, you can use rectangle frame, you can use polygon frame. Okay. Next, to create a rectangle frame. How to create rectangle frame? First, click on rectangle frame. The first one, click on rectangle frame tool. In the tools panel, press F in the keyboard. Next, position the rectangle frame tool pointer on the page. Drag to create a rectangle frame. That is approximately the size and shapes you want. Then release the mouse button. When you release the mouse button, after creating a rectangle frame, the frame you created is active. If the selection tool was previously selected, the frame is displayed within bounding box which contains 8 resizing handles which help you to change the shapes or size the bounding box or the frame. Next, inserting picture in graphic frame. Graphic frame are used to import pictures or other software program. You can insert the picture in the frame. Make a graphic frame. Choose file. Place in the menu. Place dialog box appears. Locate and select the picture you want to insert the frame. Nothing உங்களுக்கு எதுல இந்த இது பண்ணணுமோ நம்ம place பண்ண வேண்டியதா. You have to place dialog box. Okay. Next, click on open. The picture will appear in the graphic frames. Next, transferring an object base is okay. You can see. நீங்களே பாருங்க ஒவ்வொன்றும் உங்களுக்கு அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் ஆகும். ஓகேங்களா? Okay, I will give 5 minutes. You can see the book and what. Okay guys, just you have to mark your homework. Did you buy the guide? The 3 mark you have did not write. You did not touch the 3 mark. Yes, you did not touch the 3 mark. Okay, today you have to write 3 mark. 4 3 mark question. First 4 3 mark question you have to complete. Okay, first 4 3 mark question you have to complete. First question, second and third you have to write order wise 1 2 3 4 question. Okay, just see the book and read. Just read the book and watch. Okay, don't waste your time. Okay, have you completed your classwork? Have you completed? Don't waste your time. You have time. Utilize your time. Okay, have you completed first assignment? Did you study it? Okay, we will see remaining next topic. Okay, almost we are completed first lesson. Yes, okay.